I'm Harrison Porter, and we just made a delicious Caesar salad. This was made in Tijuana for rich folks back in the day. No croutons, because I can't do the glutens.
It's still gonna be good though.
All right, so we got some anchovies, and anchovies are little salty umami bombs that really go well in anything. Traditionally, you're gonna find anchovies like this, cured and then packed into oil. These are gonna be extremely salty and might be a little aggressive to eat right out of the gate. And then here we have boquerones. Still anchovies, they're just prepared a little bit differently. They're still cured, they're just in a usually white wine vinegar and oil. And they're not cured as hard, so they got a little bit more texture. They're tasty. We're gonna use both for our Caesar salad because why not? Caesar dressing is just fancy, flavorful mayonnaise. So in our blender, we got a little bit of water, 3 egg yolks. We got mustard, which is for flavor. It'll also help our emulsion come along. Nice pinch of salt. We've got some confit garlic here. That will help with the emulsion as well as some nice flavor. We're also going to be using the confit garlic oil for the rest of the sauce. Anchovies, personal preference, how many you want. I'm going to go 2. Obviously, more for more, less for less. I like to do red wine vinegar and lemon juice, just again for flavor. Get our emulsion going. Make sure everything's all blended up. And then we're going to slowly add in our oil. This is about a 1.5 cups of oil. Nice and slow, even stream. And then you can hear it thicken as you go. You want to watch the friction heat, because that will break your emulsion. A little bit of water. That's about as much oil as we can get in there. And it's going to be plenty of dressing anyway. We're going to add a little Tabasco. Some lemon zest. I wait until after I've blended it, otherwise it'll get very bitter. Some Parmesan. At this point, it's kind of all personal preference. And some whole grain mustard. Again, I don't add this when I'm blending, otherwise it'll get bitter. Yeah, this was made in Tijuana for rich folks back in the day. Pretty good. We'll add a little bit more vinegar, more hot sauce. A little bit of salt, more lemon juice. There you go, Caesar salad. Alrighty, so we've made our Caesar dressing. We just got to assemble our salad. We got some romaine lettuce. Just cut it down. Nice bite-sized pieces. We've been cooking. We don't want to work too hard after that. Caesar in the bottom of the bowl. Take a little bit of lemon juice. Just season the lettuce itself. Parmesan. Some people go crazy with their dressing. Some people don't. I just like enough to kind of gently coat everything. And you can always add more. Do a little cracked pepper. Really fill it up. This is the least healthy salad you can have, so you might as well. All right, then we're gonna take our boquerons. We're gonna hide them on top. we're just gonna hammer it with some cheese. Are you gonna say when or what's going on here? A little bit of cheese. See your sound. Yeah, I think the only thing I would have changed is like more garlic in the Caesar dressing. But